Hi guys, we are looking at my YourFacePillow, a beauty pillow. So this is a super soft memory foam style pillow. So I'm just unboxing it here. You can see it finds its shape right away. So this is a great solution for aiding in wrinkle prevention, as well as neck pain, any kind of shoulder stress you might be having, headaches. It even says it should help with snoring, acne prevention, and if you are maybe recovering from any sort of facial surgery. So really helps aid in a lot of issues. I know for me, I've noticed far less pillow creases and wrinkles on my face when I wake up, which is great. And it just providing a little bit of extra support around the neck helps me from having any kind of neck pain. So I've definitely noticed that as well. You can sleep both on your back with it as well as either side, and little Teddy likes it as well. Definitely check it out.